Repairing the windows. I made these blocks because so much wood was removed here that I need to fill up the space a little bit because I only have so much putty. Now we need to mix up equal amounts of these two materials. One is the epoxy and the hardener. And unfortunately, this stuff is very sticky. Okay, it's better. Shape it correct.
Joining the club.
Good. Now you're going to be buying them all the time.
Should we all get Crocs?
Yeah, this will be.
Well, They were for my camp. Mom must have told.
Happy birthday, Renzo.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Both cumpleaños.
You tell them, Mom, you tell them, you tell them.
About what?
Tell them. They're like, we don't want anything to do with this. We're done. And it's it was an irreversible. Yeah. Sapporo America branch is pausing their campaign, and they're going to.
That's the birthday boy right here. The birthday boy, 30 years old. Now right here, Mr. Renzo.
Just like bad boyfriends. Kyle, just like bad boyfriends.
And they see me as like,
Close to my family. Just like very, very basic.
Is there a part of you? Is there a part?
I think this is, I actually don't think so. I like how like you were like, yo, that's like the Gallo family.
No, I don't think
it's
it's
like,
I don't think it's it.
you filming all this?
Mm-hmm.
Just use your app, scan the wines. What does it score?
I don't think they score alcohol. They said.
Oh.
It's so bad.
I think the kid just knows bad for you. It's pretty nice, dude. I feel not a day over. What am I sitting there? What am I sitting there?
Okay, so this is